Hello everyone, how's it going? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can save or load your data in Geometry Dash. So this will work for all of your devices. If you have some data on your mobile devices and want to log it in on your computer, you could easily do that. So the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the gear icon, click on account, and then it will take us to this page. Normally you just have to log in your account first, but right after it will then prompt you to the main menu screen, on which you could just click on your icon. Now click on the gear icon, making sure that everything is working properly. You can also click on the update button if you want to, but from there, let's navigate through the same option, which is the account inside the main setting. And then basically from here, we have the ability to save and load our data. So normally in my case, I'll just click on the load right here. And then do you want to download your account data from the cloud? Now you can only do this if you have click on save first. So just click on the save button, log in onto another device or another computer, and then you want to click on the load button. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.